Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best canister vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for affordability, premium features, or something in between, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Eureka 3670M canister cleaner, which takes the spot as our budget-friendly option. Priced at just $76.99, this lightweight vacuum is perfect for those who want reliable cleaning on a tight budget. With a dust bag capacity of 2.5 liters and weighing only 8.6 pounds, it's easy to carry around the house for whole home cleaning. Its 12-amp motor delivers continuous, powerful suction, making it ideal for carpets, stairs, upholstery, cars, and hard floors. Plus, the replaceable dust bags make cleanup a breeze, keeping your hands mess-free. In terms of design, the Eureka 3670M is compact, lightweight, and portable, with 2 extension wands and specialty attachments allowing you to reach high ceilings and tight crevices. However, with only 2 wheels, maneuverability can be slightly limited compared to other options. Noise levies are relatively high at 90 dB, so it's not the quietest vacuum on the list. Still, its build quality feels solid for the price, and the attachments are versatile. While it offers excellent value for basic cleaning tasks, it's not the best choice for heavy-duty cleaning or advanced filtration needs. The foam filter is functional but lacks the efficiency of HEPA systems found in higher-end models. Overall, this is a fantastic budget pick for smaller homes or those who prioritize affordability over premium features. Pros include affordability, lightweight design, and powerful suction, while cons include less maneuverability and higher noise levels. Coming in at number 4, we have the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. This model is priced slightly higher at $79.99, but offers a modern bagless design that eliminates the need for disposable dust bags. With a 2.5-liter dust container and washable filters, it delivers convenience and cost savings over time. The Whirlwind packs a 960-watt motor and an integrated airflow control handle, making it highly versatile for cleaning carpets, upholstery, and hard floors. It also features a 2-in-1 crevice tool integrated into the hose handle, ensuring you won't misplace your attachments. The design is sleek and lightweight, weighing just 8.5 pounds. Its swivel steering and telescoping metal wand make it easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs, although its 3-wheel construction doesn't quite match the stability of some higher-end models. The automatic cord rewind feature is a great time saver, and the 1-button dust cup release makes emptying debris quick and hassle-free. However, the noise level of 82 dB may be slightly disruptive for some users. While the Whirlwind offers solid performance for everyday cleaning, it falls short in terms of suction power for deep cleaning tasks. Additionally, the lack of a HEPA filter means it's not the best choice for allergy sufferers. This vacuum is ideal for those who want a lightweight, budget-friendly option with decent multi-surface cleaning capabilities. Pros include its affordable price, bagless design, and ease of use, while cons include moderate noise levels and limited suction power for demanding jobs. At number 3, we have the PKUIE SL159 Canister Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and stylish option. Although the price point is unavailable, its features suggest it belongs in the mid-range category. With a 1,600W brushless motor that delivers an impressive 32 kPa suction power, this vacuum excels at deep cleaning carpets and removing stubborn pet hair. Its dual H13 HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of fine dust and allergens, making it one of the best choices for allergy sufferers. The Smart Dust Full Indicator is a thoughtful touch, helping users maintain optimal performance without guesswork. The PKUIE SL159 stands out with its elegant pink design and durable build quality. Despite its robust motor, it operates at a quiet 68 dB, ensuring your cleaning sessions won't disturb your household. The lightweight construction and flexible steering system make it easy to maneuver under furniture and into tight spaces. Additionally, The large 3.7-quart dust cup reduces the hassle of frequent emptying, and its bagless washable design cuts down on maintenance costs. However, this vacuum's availability may be limited, and its brand lacks the widespread recognition of competitors like Eureka and Kenmore. While it's packed with advanced features, it's best suited for homes with pets or high dust levels. Pros include its powerful suction, quiet operation, and advanced filtration, while cons include potential availability issues and a less established brand presence. In second place is the Kenmore 81214 200 Series pet-friendly bagged canister vacuum, priced at $209.99. It is perfect for pet owners and allergy sufferers, thanks to its enhanced HEPA filter system that traps 99.97% of allergens and dust inside the vacuum. Its two-motor system delivers excellent suction strength, and the 4 height adjustments ensure optimal performance across various surfaces. From carpets to bare floors, the 9-foot attachment reach and 24-foot retractable cord provide ample mobility for cleaning larger spaces. Design-wise, the Kenmore 81214 is sturdy and functional. It weighs less than 20 pounds, yet remains lightweight enough for smooth maneuverability. The bright orange color adds a playful touch, while the onboard storage for its 3 attachments, dusting brush, crevice tool, and bare floor tool, keeps your accessories organized and easily accessible. Noise levels are moderate at 78 dB, making it quieter than budget models like the Eureka 3670M. However, at its price point, it lacks some premium features found in higher-end vacuums. The suction power, while solid, isn't groundbreaking, and assembly is required upon delivery. This vacuum shines in homes with pets and those looking for a reliable, allergy-friendly solution. Pros include powerful filtration, extensive reach, and onboard tool storage, while cons include slightly dated aesthetics and moderate suction compared to top-tier models. Finally, at number 1, we have the Kenmore BC 3005 pet-friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum cleaner, our premium pick at $265.99. This vacuum boasts top-tier performance and features, making it ideal for those who want the best cleaning experience. With a 2-motor system and suction power of over 210 watts, the BC 3005 delivers exceptional cleaning efficiency across carpets, curtains, and bare floors. The triple HEPA filter system traps 99.97% of allergens, making it perfect for households with pets or allergy sufferers. The design is sleek and robust, with swivel steering for smooth maneuverability. At less than 20 pounds, it's lightweight yet durable, and the aluminum telescoping wand extends up to 9.5 feet, allowing you to clean tall ceilings and hard-to-reach places. The retractable 26-foot cord and onboard storage for its 4 attachments, brush, crevice tool, bare floor tool, and 2 HEPA bags, show thoughtful design for user convenience. Noise levels are relatively low at 78 dB, and the vacuum feels premium in every aspect. While the Kenmore BC 3005 commands a higher price, its performance, build quality, and advanced filtration system make it worth every penny for those who value top-notch cleaning capabilities. Pros include powerful suction, advanced HEPA filtration, and premium design features, while cons include the higher price point and required assembly. This is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for an all-around powerhouse vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.